Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make restaurant style spicy egg korma. To make this, first let's fry the sliced onions in hot oil and make barista out of it and keep it aside and cool it. In the mixer jar, add the fried onions, curd and soaked cashews and grind it into a fine paste. In a pan, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the boiled eggs and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes until the eggs get a little crispy. In the same pan, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes and then add ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes and then you can add the tomato puree and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add all the dry masalas like turmeric powder, red chili powder, pepper powder, cumin, coriander powder and saute it and cook the masalas really well until you see the oil separating from the masala. When you see the oil separating from the masala, add the grinded onion cashew paste and give it a nice mix and fry it until it is nicely cooked. Once the masalas are nicely cooked, add the water as per the consistency and salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Add the boiled eggs and bring it to boil. Cook this gravy really well to get that restaurant taste. Once the gravy is nicely boiling, add the kasuri methi and give it a nice mix and then garnish it with coriander leaves. Here is restaurant style egg korma ready to serve. Enjoy it with rice and roti of your choice. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel. Bye.